Good morning. Hello. It's a nice weather. I'm sitting outside. I'm drinking my coffee. And today I think we're going to start painting all the furnitures that we washed 2 weeks ago. And it's a nice weather, so we just really want to drink our coffee right now and then start our day. My husband's very excited. He wants to finish it today, so that's our goal. But at the same time, I want to do it as fast as possible because I want to have a family time at the same time. So I'm thinking if we're going to start early, like right now, and then maybe around 12 or 1, we can go out in a park, go to a park, swimming or something. As long as Elizabeth is with us. Looks great. First coating. You can see that. So me, Frederick, and Elizabeth did our best. Looks so good. But this is not yet done. We're just trying out the primer. And yes, this is the first coating. We're going to put second coating maybe later on today, tomorrow, or maybe next week. We will see.